Danielle's driving. Don't readjust your mirrors like you're doing something. Because I'm blind. Do it again, do it again. Sour.
That looks dangerous.
It's just a dead end.
Oh, it is. See, I've been waiting for you to come back. My life story.
Me.
That's right.
This is my dream. What do you think I'm doing? Living the teenage dream right now.
Exactly. Oh my god, teenage dream. No, when I get my license, I'm gonna do this because I have a car. Yes, every day.
Every day we're gonna drive around.
You're gonna pick us up. We're gonna go driving.
Basically.
Everywhere.
And then get good food. That little man looks lonely. Look at him. The struggle. That's like an actual struggle, though. I'm sad.
See, I've been waiting all night for you. Does your car have like a plug your iPhone into?
You should know. That's like the first thing I would check.
My mother said she's going to sell that car and give me a new. I was like, can you put a CD player in it? So that one shouldn't happen.
You get to buy like an adapter or whatever. If it has a tape, if it comes with a cassette player, they sell like a tape player with a plug on it.
Which way should it go? That way or this way?
I don't know. Whichever way doesn't have the people that hit.
There's going to be a lot of people that go that way.
Everything you said is like go with the view. Business in the front, party in the back. Maybe I was wrong. Was it ever really right? This kind of thing doesn't happen usually. I'm on the opposite side of it, truthfully. I know you want it, so come and get it. Cheerio. See, I've been waiting all day for you to call me baby.
Can we take a game car pic quick?
Really? Oh my god, yes!
Oh